Hello everybody, we're here for a sneak preview of Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich on an Acer Iconia tab W500. You know, this is possible because this is the first tablet with Windows 7, so obviously you can set every operating system you want, and thanks to Android x86 guys, we have downloaded a first beta version of the 4.0 Android, which is AMD processor compatible. So we can see this. This tablet has got a 1 GB AMD processor dual core with 2 GB of RAM and a dedicated video system with it should be an ATI 256 megabyte. You can see right over here there's another camera and one front camera and a 10.1 inch display. So, and we got a Windows button right here, and right there we got power button, volume button, SD card, HDMI, 2 USB port right over there, and the volume for the audio, which is which is this one, and then we got obviously the display, so we can have the power button right here in the left. As you can see, there's a bootloader, which is grub, which after 3 seconds must start the operating system. As you can see, it talks about video ROM conflicts, so we've got a lot of problems. As you can see, this is a beta version and most of the operating system is not working, but it's just for have a sneak preview of how does it look like ice cream sandwich on tablet version. So we can unlock right over here, and we've got the system. As you can see, it's not really different from Honeycomb. So if you have already tried the tablet with the 3.0 or 3.1, 3.2 version of Android, this is not really different. We can see the difference in the font of writing. Right now we've got Roboto, the new one for ice cream sandwich, and we've got the display button for return, back, and for the applications. That is not working, as you can see. And to have a better look of it, we can use the dock. So I think you can see it a little better, even if there's a flash of my Galaxy S2 camera. So we can also use the mouse button, as you can see. I'm moving with this. So for example, we can take a look at the browser. Well, no, it's not better with the dock station. We can take it over. Okay, so I already was on a website. I can try to close it. Okay, so obviously this is the 4.0 version of Android, so it is not developed at the moment with Flash Player, because Flash Player 11 is not been updated yet from Adobe for the 4.0 version, so we cannot see any kind of videos or something like on YouTube or whatever you want. But I'm gonna let you see, for example, no, we can try to go somewhere. We've got the keyboard on the display. We can go, for example, on XDA developers website. No, I don't have to translate it from English. Okay, so as you can see, touch screen is okay, so it's just great things because it's not so easy. So this is the website, and we also got multi-touch with, you can see, pinch to zoom, which is working very well, and also a double tap. So also scrolling is very well, pretty smooth, and we can zoom in, not very much, but so if you have got an Acer Iconia tab W500 and you want an user interface which is great to use with the touchscreen, I think it's better for you to try this version of Android, because the Windows 7 version that comes in stock with this tablet, it's not very useful with the touch. It is better with the dock station. So if you got a mouse or a keyboard, it's good, but if you ain't got it, I think this is the better way to use this tablet on internet. So we can see other sites. For example, I can let you see the Android x86 website from where I downloaded this version of the new Google operating system for mobile. So here it is, androidx86.org, and as always, everything is great. So as you can see, the ECS branch is ready for developers, just for AMD tablet. So this is exactly what they will look like. So okay, for the browser, the real problem is that there are not so many other things which are really working, because as I was saying, the applications multitasking is not working, or I mean multitasking is okay, but we can't see the opened application at the moment. Right here we got the clock with the status of the battery and of the Wi-Fi connection, but something really bad is that the audio is not working, so we cannot listen to music, we cannot watch video, and this is really bad. And the other really bad thing is that the device does not see any kind of memory. So as you can see, if I go on the settings on memory, it crashes, and it does not see the internal memory, the external memory on the SD card. We already tried it, but it's not working, and it does not work even the USB connection. So if we try to put on an pen USB drive, it won't work. And also the microphone is not working. So you can just run through the internet or use the application that you can download from Market Store. For example, I've downloaded Twitter, the Twitter application. I will let you see. This is the new one. It's been just updated in the afternoon, and it is working very well, even if it is not optimized for tablet, for honeycomb and ice cream sandwich, but it's quite okay. We can go back to home. And I don't know what else we can see. Oh, obviously camera is not working. You can see the new icon for telephone, and for messages is the same old one. And obviously we cannot use telephone and messages because it's not a 3G version of the Acer Iconia tab. I don't even know if there is a 3G version, so we've got not the SIM card. And well, everything downloaded from Android Market is working fine. So I tried, as you can see, Astro, the file manager, Dropbox, and well, but you can't use Dropbox because Dropbox only works if there is a memory where you can stock your files. So I will let you see the market. So market is quite okay. There are oh well, I don't know if you can see, I don't think, fucking flash, but okay, now it's good. You can download every app you want. For example, we can try to download Pulse News. Oh, sorry. Okay, as you can see, there's some bug. For example, that right corner, it's but not a great problem, really. Okay, we can see. yes, it is working fine. It is okay. We can finally try, for example, if there's a game or somehow, I don't know. I tried to search Angry Birds in the market, but I didn't find it, don't know why. This Defender should be a game, I mean. Theoretically, this must work very well, because we are talking about a 2 GB RAM tablet, so it is on top of the performance. Well, okay, it is working. I don't know what kind of game is this. Cast a spell? Yeah, it should be something about fantasy, magic, tower defense game, I think, for what I see. Okay, man, we're not interested in it. So, and, oh, yeah, most important, I let you see the information. 4.0.1, so the last Android version. Ice cream sandwich on an Acer Iconia tab W500. So in conclusion, there is not so much working, but it's a great, I think, sneak preview of how the operating system look like. And if you just want obviously I didn't let you know, but you can change wallpaper. You can put on some widget. So if you want to, I don't know, an email, if you have got configured an email system, you can wait. Yeah, I didn't have an email system, so we can find Gmail. Not even Gmail. Fuck. Okay, now it's working. So if you want an operating system to surf the internet and have a great touch interface, you can use this for your Acer Iconia Tab W500. You can download it from androidx86.org, and you can install it by an USB Linux creator system on a Windows platform, or if you get a Mac like me, you can use VMware. So from WebJacky it is all, and have a nice holiday.